Tree tents are innovative outdoor shelters that combine the thrill of camping with the comfort of suspended hammocks. These versatile and portable tents are designed to be suspended from trees, rocks, or sturdy structures. Ideal for camping and backpacking, they offer a unique, elevated sleeping experience while minimizing environmental impact. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Kammok Sunda 2.0 Ground-to-Air Tent, the ultimate solution for adventure seekers looking to elevate their camping experience. Designed with innovation and versatility in mind, the Sunda 2.0 offers a seamless transition between ground and air camping. Its unique design allows you to set it up as a traditional ground tent or convert it into a hammock shelter for the ultimate suspended camping experience. Crafted from durable and weather-resistant materials, this tent provides both comfort and protection from the elements. The spacious interior accommodates two people comfortably, while the intuitive setup ensures you spend more time enjoying the great outdoors and less time fussing with gear. Whether you're on the ground or suspended among the trees, the Kammok Sunda 2.0 Ground-to-Air Tent redefines camping versatility, making every outdoor adventure an unforgettable experience. Number 9. Single Camping Hammock, your ticket to relaxation and adventure in the great outdoors. Crafted with precision and designed for the minimalist explorer, this hammock is a game-changer for solo adventurers. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor life while remaining lightweight and packable. The Single is incredibly easy to set up, allowing you to find the perfect spot to hang in no time. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful afternoon nap in the woods or counting stars by a campfire, this hammock provides the ultimate relaxation experience. With its versatile design and compact portability, the Single Camping Hammock is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast, promising comfort and tranquility wherever your adventures take you. Number 8. Wise Owl Outfitters SingleOwl and DoubleOwl Camping Hammocks, the epitome of comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these hammocks redefine relaxation on your adventures. The SingleOwl is perfect for solo travelers seeking a peaceful escape, while the DoubleOwl offers ample space for you and a companion. Made from high-quality, durable materials, they're built to withstand the elements while remaining lightweight and compact for easy transport. Setting up these hammocks is a breeze, allowing you to hang and unwind in mere minutes. Whether you're lounging by the campfire, reading a book, or stargazing, these hammocks provide the ultimate comfort. With a range of vibrant colors to choose from and included straps for hassle-free installation, Wise Owl Outfitters SingleOwl and DoubleOwl Camping Hammocks are your go-to choice for relaxation and adventure in the great outdoors. Number 7. Grand Trunk Skeeter Beeter Pro Mosquito Hammock, your ticket to a bug-free outdoor paradise. Imagine lounging in this ingenious hammock, cocooned in a protective mesh canopy that shields you from pesky mosquitoes and other annoying insects. Crafted with durable materials and a spacious design, it's your perfect companion for camping, hiking, or simply relaxing in your backyard. Its double-sided zippers make entering and exiting a breeze, while the reinforced stitching ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or just looking to unwind in peace, the Skeeter Beeter Pro offers comfort and protection. Embrace the serenity of nature without the nuisance of bugs. The Grand Trunk Skeeter Beeter Pro Mosquito Hammock, where relaxation meets outdoor adventure. Number 6. Sea to Summit Pro Hammock, the epitome of outdoor luxury. Its lightweight and compact design make it the perfect companion for backpacking, camping, or even a lazy day in the park. The high-strength, breathable nylon material offers durability and breathability, ensuring a cozy cocoon for your outdoor siestas. Setting it up is a breeze with the integrated buckle suspension system, and it packs down into a tiny stuff sack for easy portability. With a generous weight capacity, it's ideal for solo lounging or sharing the experience with a friend. The Sea to Summit Pro Hammock promises a hammocking experience like no other, where relaxation and adventure converge seamlessly. Unwind and elevate your outdoor escapades with the ultimate hammock companion. Number 5. Tentsile Safari Connect 2-Person Tree Tent. Designed for adventure seekers, this remarkable tent suspends between trees, offering a unique and unforgettable camping experience. With a spacious interior, it comfortably accommodates two campers, while the durable, weather-resistant materials ensure a cozy and secure shelter in any terrain. The innovative 3-point anchoring system provides stability, while the insect mesh keeps unwanted visitors at bay. Whether you're perched among the trees or camping on the ground, the Safari Connect guarantees a comfortable night's sleep and a front row seat to nature's wonders. Transform your camping trips into extraordinary outdoor adventures with Tentsile's Safari Connect 2-person tree tent, where camping meets suspended bliss. Number 4. Opeongo Aerial A1 Tree Tent, the ultimate fusion of innovation and outdoor comfort. Suspended amidst the canopy, this tree tent offers a one-of-a-kind camping adventure. Crafted with high-quality materials, it accommodates 2 campers in its spacious interior while providing stability and security with its 3-point anchoring system. Rain or shine, the weather-resistant fabric ensures a dry and cozy refuge. With large windows for stargazing and insect mesh to keep bugs at bay, you can truly immerse yourself in nature without any distractions. Setup is a breeze, and with its compact size, it's perfect for backpackers and wilderness enthusiasts. Experience camping like never before with the Opeongo Aerial A1 Tree Tent, where nature and innovation harmoniously coexist. Number 3. ENO Skyloft Hammock, the pinnacle of relaxation and versatility in the world of hammocks. Crafted with precision and premium materials, this hammock is designed to elevate your outdoor experience. Its innovative design combines the comfort of a hammock with the practicality of a lounge chair, allowing you to recline or sit up as you please. With a spacious, breathable fabric construction, it offers superior comfort for lazy afternoons or starry nights under the open sky. The attached pockets and gear loops keep your essentials within arm's reach, making it perfect for camping trips or leisurely backyard lounging. Set up effortlessly with the secure suspension straps and steel carabiners. Elevate your relaxation game with the ENO Skyloft Hammock and experience the ultimate blend of comfort, style, and convenience in the gray outdoors. Number 2. Haven Hammock 10. This innovative masterpiece combines the best of both worlds, offering you the versatility of a hammock with the shelter of a tent. Suspended securely between 2 trees, the Haven provides an elevated sleeping experience away from damp ground and crawling critters. Its spacious interior comfortably fits 2 campers and boasts waterproof, ripstop fabric to keep you dried during unpredictable weather. With ample storage pockets and an easy-access entrance, convenience is paramount. Setting up is a breeze with the included suspension system. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or just looking for a new way to experience nature, the Haven Hammock Tent promises to redefine your camping adventures, making every night a comfortable and unforgettable one. Sleep among the trees and experience the great outdoors like never before. Number 1. Tentsile Connect 2-person tree tent, where adventure meets innovation. Designed to defy convention, this remarkable tent suspends between trees, creating a unique and memorable outdoor dwelling. With a spacious interior, it comfortably accommodates 2 campers, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it stands up to the elements, while the insect mesh keeps bugs at bay. The versatile 3-point anchoring system guarantees stability, whether you're suspended among the trees or grounded on the forest floor. Easy setup and compact packing make it ideal for both novice and seasoned campers. Immerse yourself in the magic of nature with the Tentsile Connect 2-person tree tent, where adventure and comfort seamlessly merge for unforgettable outdoor experiences.